Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to get the most out of a budget LED light, which I happen to be using right now, and it only costs $30. So let's get into it. So one way of using a budget LED light would be as a fill light. So right now I do have my main key light right here, but I also have a hair light in the back as well as the fill light, which happens to be the cheap LED light. Right here, see? And it has a diffuser on it. And I like this light because on the back I can set it to a specific color temperature as well as to a certain brightness percentage here, as you can see on this LED, on the LED screen in the back. So I can change the brightness, and as you can see, if I have it out here, I get a little bit of light coming in on this side of my face. So if it's not on my face, see how dark this side will get? If I have it up, it's a little bit more in there, not as many shadows. So this is one use for the light. Another use for the light would be as a hair light. So if I shut off my hair light right now, you can see there's a lot of darkness coming in from the back of my head. So now I'm just going to place this back here. Now you can probably up my brightness a bit on it. So I'm going to brighten it just a bit. Before it was only at 15%. Now it is at 30. And you can see here, I'm getting a little bit of light coming off on my head. So I can kind of like separate myself from the background. The background is dark, and my face is the lighter part, and I do have dark hair, so it helps separate me a little bit from the background. Of course, you can place it into another area to help for more separation, brighten the light for more separation as well. It's all about placement and just testing your different looks and how it can turn out, if you like it or not. Everyone will be different, but this is just another option for the light. Now you can just see the light being used as a key light. As you can see, my brightness is much further down. Right now, I'd say it's about at 60%. We can brighten it more. And here, you can see it's brighter on my face, but because it's not largely diffused, that I have these harsher shadows on this side of my face. Because again, there's no fill light. So you could technically make it work with two of these lights. But you could also have another whole system with a larger light with larger diffusion instead of using this as a key light. So this does work, but it's not the best option for me. I would say use it as a hair light or a fill light, or just on the go if you have to use it. This light can also work if you're on Zoom video calls and you need it directly pointed at you, kind of like a ring light, and it'll just give you flat light across your face. That's another option, but there's so many ways that you could possibly use this light, and for little to no money. I feel like this is a good investment, especially if you're new to YouTube and you don't have the larger lights with larger diffusion that cost over $100 or so. If you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, let me know. Like I said, I'm using this light right now. I'll leave the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a regular Amazon link. If you guys want to check it out, maybe buy it for yourself. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.